Hello everyone, and welcome to our 1C class. My name is Danny Keener. I'm your professor for this class. So I just wanted to walk you through a couple things. This is going to be our home page for our class, the welcome page. You'll go ahead and read through all of this on the first day of class during the first week. And then, let's see, towards the bottom here we have the syllabus. Right here again, if you ever are wondering what's coming up in class, what's in the syllabus, what's going on, the button's right there, very prominently displayed above the weeks. There are the weeks that you're going to be responsible for. The readings are there, the discussion boards are there, all that kind of stuff. And then the Q&A forum. So this is a space for you to ask questions to each other. So if you have a question about what's going on in the class, you can ask it there, and most likely another student will get to it before I do. I can only be online a certain amount of time, right, at any given moment. So it's a lot faster, I think, for you to ask questions there and get a response a lot quicker from other students than you would from me. Of course, if nobody responds, then of course I'll chime in and answer that question. But the idea, though, is that other students will be able to also chime in if they know the answer to that question that you have. So, okay. And then if you click on one of the weeks, this is what it will always look like. So it'll tell you what we're going to be doing this week. And then right at the bottom here, you'll always have a list of things that I'm going to be asking you to do for that week. So one, of course, read the syllabus, right? And then read theory, and then kind of work your way down the tasks for that week. The discussion board, getting to know you exercise, the one-page write-up, all these things kind of listed through. There's James Baldwin. All right. Hey, John Updike, cool. All right, and then and you'll go all the way down through the list of things that you're going to be asked to do for that week. Some people have said that this listing sort of method can be overwhelming when you look at it at first, right? Which I guess that could be the case. I can see how that could be the case. But why I do this is for clarity, right? I want to be really clear as to what it is I'm asking for you to do this week. And for a 1C class, what we're going to be focusing on every week is one specific sort of literary device or trope or something like character or narrative or things like this, that we're going to hone in on that and talk about that as it pertains to a good example or two from literature. So, so I want to be really clear in terms of what it is we're focusing on for that week, what it is I'm asking you to do for that week, that sort of thing. So that's why I structure it that way. Okay, and then up here you'll see announcements. I will send out announcements at least once a week in terms of when we're going to be meeting for our advice hours. And I say advice hours because I'm welcoming you to meet with me during that time, to meet with me via Zoom for advice on anything that you're having trouble with in the class, anything that you'd like to talk about, we can talk about during those advice hours. And my advice hours are Tuesdays and Thursdays from 2 to 4 and Friday from 2 to 3. However, within the first week, what I'm going to be doing is sending out a survey to you, asking you what times work best for you. So if I find that most of you are saying that Friday at 7 o'clock at night is the best time for you to meet via Zoom, then I'll change those advice hours to that time to best suit what times work better for you. So anyway, that's that. I think that's pretty much everything. The grade book's over here. It's pretty easy to find a lot of the stuff. I think Canvas does a good job of making this very intuitive. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. You can reach me via email or ask a question in the discussion forum, the Q&A discussion forum. But with that, I will wish you a good rest of your day, and I will see you online when I see you online. Okay, bye-bye.